What are we actually measuring and who decides it? Fast forward 2019. We have a lab at Columbia University, and inside of that lab we have a robotic arm sitting inside of a circle that's made out of 5 cameras. No instructions, no pre-programming, absolutely no knowledge of what it is. No map of its own body, no understanding of physics, geometry, or even how its joints connect. Just those 5 cameras and some time. So the robot starts moving, randomly at first. Just like a newborn discovering it has hands for the first time. It watches itself through the cameras, and then it moves, then it watches itself again. And it does this hundreds of times until it builds a picture. And after around 35 hours, it stops. And at this point, something very interesting happened. The robot has built a model of itself from scratch and purely from observation. It now knows where its joints are, how its body moves, what kind of space it occupies, and when the researchers damage one of its components and replaced them with a deformed version, robot detected it. It updated its self-model and continued working. The lead researcher for this, Hod Lipson, called it a primitive form of self-awareness. Those were his actual words. Now let's put these two things side by side. A chimpanzee that recognizes itself in a mirror after a few days of exposure, and a robotic arm that builds a model of its own body after 35 hours of observation. Both are doing something that looks like self-awareness. Both of them are doing it completely differently through different mechanisms. And yet we only gave the self-awareness label to the chimpanzee, which raises an interesting question. What are we actually measuring and who decides it?